Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from Police Release, and the title of the video is Wannabe Gangster Tries Bullying Himself Out of Arrest, Fails Miserably.
On March 5th, 2025, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle displaying an expired registration.
Hey, your plates are expired.
Oh, really?
You got your driver's license insurance on you?
I don't have no license.
You don't?
No, they're suspended.
Huh?
They're suspended.
Okay.
But luckily for me, yeah.
You got insurance?
How they suspended? I seen you going that way. Why didn't you come this way?
Huh?
Why didn't you follow me this way? I seen you going that way.
Which way? I drive all over through that neighborhood.
Oh, man, you was going that way. I was coming this way.
Okay, your plates are expired, so who's in the wrong? You or me?
You.
Me? Okay. You got weed in the car, man? I can smell it.
No.
No?
But
smells like it.
It's legal, right?
It is.
Yeah.
But I can still ask you, right?
Oh.
Right?
That's not probable cause, right?
Probable cause for what? I can ask you anything I want, right?
I don't have to answer, right?
That's fine.
Oh, okay.
Okay, hop out for me.
Okay, no problem. What am I hopping out for?
Because I asked you to.
For what, though?
Because I told you to.
For what?
Because this is my traffic stop, and I can tell you, I don't have to have probable cause to get out of the car.
What are you grabbing me for?
Because you're getting back in the car.
Now, so what? I didn't even do nothing.
You to get out of the car.
What did I do? I'm sitting here, you asked me for my insurance. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying. Man, bro, what the f*** you doing on my car? What are you grabbing on me for, too, man?
You want to get in my face?
Bro,
stop.
What the f*** is you grabbing me for? I didn't.
Step back.
What the f*** is going on with you, dude?
Step back.
You got a f***ing problem.
Put your fingers in my face.
You got a f***ing problem. You got a f***ing problem. Because I ain't even do shit to you. He asked me for my... Bro, I didn't do shit, though.
Stop.
What the f*** is he grabbing me for?
Stop. Because he asked you to get out of the car.
So what? I don't have... No, he said... He asked... For what?
Because that's the law.
For what? For license and insurance. He asked for my license and insurance.
He asked you to get out of the car.
For what, though? What's the problem? For what?
Calm down. Everybody just needs to calm down.
Man, bro, that was some bullshit. You grabbed me, bro.
I did, because you...
Bro, I would have beat your ass if you
Are
had
you threatening me?
Because you grabbing me for nothing, bro.
That's enough.
I don't like that.
That's enough.
I don't like people touching
All
on
right,
me.
that's enough. That's enough.
What's wrong with
That
this
is
dude,
enough.
man? He came up to the car with an attitude from the beginning, bro.
Calm down.
Look, ass. That's some ass shit, bro, because I ain't even do nothing, bro.
Bring it down a notch.
I ain't even do anything, bro.
You're yelling at me.
I'm not
You're yelling at
you.
everybody.
I'm yelling at him.
Calm down.
Yes.
Calm down.
Whole ass dude, man. Because I ain't even do shit.
All right, let's go get to the next step.
Yeah, that's what I
Let's
was
get your
trying
driver's
to do.
license. Let's
I don't
get
have,
it,
like, I'm
everything out.
suspended, but I got my blower lies in there. That was
All
another
right.
thing.
All right,
He's about,
man.
it smells like marijuana. It's fucking legal. I don't have no marijuana in the car.
And
But you grabbing me,
and
though,
if there
bro?
is, and if he smelled it and he asked you to get out of the car,
Bro,
then you gotta get out of the car.
I would have, man,
All right.
dude, you don't even know me like that, but you be grabbing on me, man.
All right, I'm gonna pat you down real quick, all right?
Yeah, go ahead, man. I would have got you.
You would have got me what?
That would have got you hurt, man.
Don't say anything you're gonna regret.
Grabbing. I don't regret saying what I'm saying.
Okay, but don't say anything you're gonna regret. That's gonna get you charges.
That was crazy.
It's not. If I tell you, listen, man.
Bro, you don't
Let me
brag
talk
with
for a
us.
second. Let me tell you something.
We're gonna restart this.
Okay.
Yeah,
If he smelled cannabis,
That's
all right,
no, that's
and he
not-
asked you to get out of the car, then you gotta get out of the car.
Yeah, I understand all that. But
Okay,
grabbing
so
on
that's
me,
where
bro?
we're at. That's where we're at. Well, if somebody
Grab
refuses
me.
to get out of the car, that's what happens. Okay, I'm gonna be real.
And
with
you stepped to get back into the car.
I'm not gonna relive.
Oh, man. I mean, I think, honestly, I do think the officer should have explained why he's stepping out of the car. I mean, you know, the smell, yeah, but you really asked him to step out of the car, not because of the smell, it's because he had a smart lip. That's why you had him step out of the car. He was giving a little attitude and being snarky, and so y'all going tit for tat. That's really what's going on here, you know? So, yeah, and I could tell, dude, he got a temper or whatever, but yeah, this is just, these two guys right here are pretty much doing a power struggle, right? And obviously the officer is going to win every single time, but he had an attitude, right? The guy that got pulled over, he had an attitude. And then the cop, he has a little bit of an attitude. So they going tit for tat, who got the biggest balls, basically. That's what's going on here. This is just a lot of testosterone going on, you know what I'm saying? Who got the biggest nuts, you know? And that's what's happening right now, you know what I mean? And the cop is gonna win, you know. So, but yeah,
Do what you gotta do.
So the cannabis jar that's under your seat, is there weed in it?
Man, go search, man. You pull me out the car.
Okay.
Go, man. You ran me out the car for it. You want to
See, here, and I explained to you why.
Okay, wait.
Because he smelled.
Okay, wait, don't talk about this. Go in there and
39, you can slow down.
I have to
Hang on.
blow this thing.
Relax.
You don't have to do what you want. Bro, they're going to charge me $100.
You let us know and then we'll let you.
Bro, they're going to charge me $100 for not blowing on the thing,
You're
bro.
getting detained now.
For what? They're going to charge me $100 for not blowing, bro.
You're not listening.
I am listening. They're going to charge me, bro. I don't have the money to be doing that, bro. They're going to charge me $100. I'm trying to explain that to you.
Turn around.
Oh my God, bro, they're gonna charge me money for not blowing in this thing, bro. Oh, are you serious, bro?
Yeah.
Bro, they're gonna charge me, man.
Stop.
Bro, they're gonna charge me for not blowing,
Is there
bro.
weed in there?
No.
There's a jar with some in it.
And, bro, it's like, bro, they're gonna charge me for not blowing that thing, bro. I'm gonna get in trouble.
It's the least of your worries.
It should, why not? I ain't even doing shit. That's the legal thing to do, right? It's the blowing the thing, right? That's all I
When
was
you have an opportunity to, but right now you don't.
Started running his mouth immediately.
Relax. You need to relax.
Bro, they're gonna charge me, bro, $100. Bro, they charge you $100, bro.
You're gonna talk yourself
I'm
in a
trying
jail.
to tell you, they charge me $100 every time I miss.
Well, right now,
if I miss
if you were to go to the road program, you would have that opportunity. Right now, you don't.
Oh my God, are you a lieutenant?
I'm a sergeant.
Sergeant, why you acting like that towards me, man?
Hey, I was good. Until you stopped listening to me.
Sarge, you didn't say nothing
I was
to your
good until you stopped
officer.
listening.
Sarge, you didn't say nothing to your
Because you
officer.
got weed in the car.
Bro, no, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, it's not.
Yeah, that's why he smelled it.
Bro, no, it's. Tell him to bring the
Okay,
weed
then
out.
there's a container with
Where's
weed in
the
it.
weed at?
I'll show you when we're
Right,
done.
please.
Reeks of weed.
Huh? It reeks with
Then
that, but it's legal.
Don't start.
It's legal. It's probably, I don't care about you searching. There's nothing in there.
But you have to get out so we can search. Right?
That's not probable cause to pull me out the car.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. It's
Yes,
not in
it
the
is.
state of Illinois. No, it's not. Sarge, come on now, man.
You're good.
You know better than that.
You're going to talk yourself into going for obstructing. I do know better.
You know better, bro.
I know a lot better than
I
you.
didn't do anything. Look, he pulled up, bro. He pulled me
I
up.
was right here. You're doing anything wrong.
No, bro, I did.
You are doing something
Bro.
wrong. He requested you to exit the vehicle and you did not.
And he told me he didn't have an ID, which is right here. He has two IDs.
I was right there.
You're right.
Nah, that's wrong. I ain't gonna lie, Sarge. That's wrong. He said exit the vehicle. He did exit the vehicle. He tried to go back in the vehicle. And that's what happened. So it's not he asked to step out of the vehicle. He didn't step out of the vehicle. He opened the door, said step out. He said, all right. And he stepped out. But this guy right here, he talked too much. You can't talk and listen at the same time. It's either like if I'm the officer, it's time for you to listen, right? I talk, you listen. You talk, I listen, right? It goes both ways. That's how a conversation goes. But you can't overtalk each other because you're not listening to what I'm saying. You think you know the law better than whatever, and the sergeant's trying to tell you, listen, chill out because you're gonna talk yourself into going. And you saying that there is none in there, but you know they're gonna use them little crumbs that's in that case. They're gonna use that to, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? They're gonna use them little crumbs that's in that little jar. That's why, I always say with these smokers, man, have your fun, do your thing or whatever. But when you stepping out of the house, you shouldn't be smelling like smoke. I mean, me personally, I like candles. I like, I'm not a smoker in general though, but I like candles. I got a big cologne collection. You know what I'm saying? I like to smell good. And most smokers, they smell like weed. right? That most smokers smell like cannabis. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's be honest here. They think that's cool. I remember I was talking to a chick one time, and we were just laughing and yada 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 whatever, and we were talking about how like you know, the smokers and stuff like. And listen, if you a smoker, don't get offended, but it's like people nowadays, they want to smell like loud and BO. Loud as smoke, you know what I'm saying? They want to smell like loud and BO. Or they try to mask it with cologne, but you can't mask the smoking smell to a non-smoker. And a lot of these cops are, you know, either non-smokers or they smoke a very little bit or whatever, but they're not smoking on duty or anything like that, so they could easily sense it. And that's the number one thing to get you to get out of the car and for them to search it. If you a smoker, smoke at home, but when you come out the crib, put some fresh clothes on, not that shirt that you was smoking in. Put some fresh clothes on. You know what I'm saying? Wash your hair, because, you know, that smoke get up in your hair. You know what I'm saying? Wash your face. Wash your ass. You know what I mean? Put some cologne on. Put some perfume on. Smell good. Smell presentable. You know, got to present yourself right. Because this guy may or may not be smoking in the car, but he probably smoked at the house or whatever the case may be, and you coming out smelling like smoke. And whether you smoking or whatever, all the cops are going to say, I smell the odor of marijuana, and you're cooked. Step out.
You're right. Yeah, everything in that script.
What is it?
Anxiety pills.
What are the little orange ones?
Anxiety pills.
Shit, man. That's what you said the
That's
first time. What are they called?
Anxiety pills. That's all I
You don't
know.
have a prescription on you. We'll just charge you with possession of
Is it right there in the thing?
Okay,
My name's on there, right?
The big white one.
My name's on there, right?
What's the matter? The different
The
things?
ibuprofens.
The big ones are?
Yeah, man. I don't do drugs, man. You're right.
All right, man, you're going to go to jail for obstructing and possession of the open cannabis in the car.
Come on.
I'm not going to charge you with assault.
I didn't touch. Your camera was on, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't touch.
Do you know the difference between assault and battery?
Bro, you grabbed
Do you know
me, though, but you
listen, it
grabbed
doesn't
me,
matter.
though,
I'm not going to
bro.
argue about it, but you're under arrest.
Come
Okay.
on, bro.
You're going to get in my car.
Bro.
You're getting in my car.
Come on, man.
Do you have anything hidden on you?
No, man.
Okay.
Bro, come on, don't arrest me for that. I'm actually nice, man. I got to pick my daughter up. Bro, I'm going to see. Listen. Just listen, man. Listen.
Man, you made your plate. Get in my car. Get in the car.
Bro. Come on, bro.
You made your plate. Get in the car.
Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
Get in the car.
We both
I'm going to force you in the car.
No.
Watch your
Can I get my car?
Get your car?
Yeah.
You'll get your car.
Can I have somebody come pick it up?
No, it's going to get towed.
Come on, bro. Are you serious?
You made your bed.
Come on, bro. No, I didn't. Come on, bro, now. I'm in the car. Bro, come on, man. Bro, don't do this to me, bro, please.
I didn't do anything but do my job. You got anything hidden on you, man?
Bro, listen, man, bro, come on, bro, come on. Talk to me, man, bro, come on, bro.
I tried.
Bro, please, you grab me, though, bro.
You know why?
I don't like people grabbing me, bro.
Okay.
Let me tell you
That's
something.
great.
Bro,
You can't get in the car, back in the car when I tell you to get out.
bro, I wasn't on that, though, bro. I had to blow in the blower, bro. I was going to get charged for that, man.
Okay.
$100 a
Okay,
pop,
back up.
bro. You a little I should spit in your face.
Do it.
Open this back up. I swear to God, I'm spitting in your face.
You're getting charged with assault.
Open it up. Open it up.
Gurney G28, 95 miles in
That's
jail.
that shit, bro, because you know you bogus, bro. You not even do shit.
124-186. 124-186.
Bro, that's some ass shit. You know I ain't even do shit, bro.
Let the jail know that it's going to be an unruly. He's trying to kick my window out.
No. Get this motherfucker down. I'll break this motherfucker down. You got me.
Grundy 28, I'm going to go light sirens to the jail.
You a bitch. You a yes bitch. You a bitch. I'm gonna beat you, little bitch ass. You little bitch. I'll break this.
Grundy G28, he just took his seatbelt off. He's trying to break my back window.
I'll break this shit. Let's go. Let's go. You little funky ass.
You're gonna get me?
Yeah, because that's you lost the you did. You grabbed me for no fucking reason.
Is it?
Our fault, right? I told you out there. Yeah, it was. God, that is the bullshit. You got your day in court, and then you. See, that's the one, bro. Cause he the one, bro. All
right,
well, so you can do whatever, bro.
Assault, obstructing,
right?
There's damage to the car.
Let me explain to you what.
Government property.
Let me explain what is going to happen. If you don't go along with the program, they'll just hold you.
Bro, I'd be out. I don't care.
Well, not if they can't process you. I don't care. Okay, well then you can go sit in the back.
It doesn't matter, man.
Is it?
So your buddy coming in here putting his hand in my face. His fingers in my face. I shouldn't be in fear for my life. Get the fuck out of here. That's some phony ass shit.
You want to stay here or do you want to go home?
Man, y'all tripping.
You want to stay here?
It don't matter, man.
Well, it doesn't matter to me. It's your choice.
It don't matter.
So you can go along with the process. And
I'll still be out today. It don't matter. I can see it all day. I got time.
Right, not until they process you.
I got time today.
All right. Well, if you want to sit and do that, that's up to you. Or you can just get this paperwork and leave. That's all it is. So just go along with the program and you'll be out.
Thank you.
It doesn't do you any good to get all hostile and yell. You'll have your day in court.
The man was charged with obstructing, possession of a controlled substance, and criminal damage to property.
All this was a case of who got the biggest nuts. That's all. This is what this comes down to. Who got the biggest nuts? That's all it is. Cop rolled up smooth, but they both were. He had the attitude, so it's like this was a case of who can one up each other, right? Cop come, he starts, whatever, saying whatever. Then the cop one ups him. Oh, I smell whatever. So then he says whatever, and then the cop says, you know what, get out. And then it just one upping each other. That's all it is. That's literally all this case was. Who can one up each other? Who has the biggest nuts? And obviously the cop is gonna win every single time. Smokers got to be careful, man. I try to tell people, because I always get a little comment, I smoke this and that. That's cool. That's fine and dandy. Do your thing, whatever. Everybody has their thing that makes them happy and enjoy. But that smoking, if you're going to do it, you got to make sure you step out the house correct, though. Smell good. Can't be coming out the house smelling like smoke. You just can't. That's an easy way to get jammed up. But anyways, I think the officers did. I'm giving this a 3. This was just a case of who got the biggest balls. It's a 3. Whatever. They both could have acted, they both could have been better. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I understand them not being grabbed. You know what I'm saying? Like, no man wants to be touched. You know what I'm saying? If the cop wasn't a cop, he wouldn't want to be touched, right? So I understand that part. But then I also understand, once you're stepped out, you can't go back in. You know what I'm saying? So instead of you just going back in, explain to the cop, hey, I'm on this program or whatever. I have to blow into the thing anytime I enter and exit and stuff like that. Or they're gonna charge, you know what I'm saying? And that's what's going on, so, but all this comes down to is communication. But when you start off the interaction with bad communication, it's just downhill from there. That's it. But anyways, they get a 3 out of 5 from me. Let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.